Hi guys, welcome back to 4-Wheel Drive is Life. Today I'm going to show you the comparison between a 3rd generation Toyota 4RUNNER and the Lexus GX470. So the first obstacle is a rolling rock hill. As you see, the 4RUNNER is about 2 to 3 inch lifted with a stock size tire. I believe it's around 32 inch tire. It's not even 33s, and there's no locker other than the center locker. As you see, the 4RUNNER slipped a little bit and then went up, no problem. Now is the GX470's turn. It's about also 2 to 3 inch lifted with 33 inch tires, and it's got the bumpers, skid plates and everything, so it's a little more heavier than the 4RUNNER. Please keep in mind that this was done after that the other driver blown the rear diff, so everyone is kind of nervous. So the additional weight on the GX470 kind of slows it down a little bit. However, he kept pushing and it went up. Now, in order to get to the V-notch crossing section, vehicles has to go through this very sloped sideways bank, and in the rainy, muddy condition, the vehicle really is very prone to flip sideways or roll over. Now comes the actual V-notch crossing. As you see, the 4RUNNER is only about 2 to 3 inch lifted without additional travel, or it's not a long travel or anything, and no lockers, so I say it's doing pretty impressively through this V-notch crossing. Then when it comes to GX turn, it actually rained a little more, so the ground is even more slippery, and the GX driver just doesn't feel comfortable, getting the truck to the V-notch point. As you see here, the vehicle just kept sliding, and I believe it's also due to the slight higher center of gravity on the GX compared to the 4RUNNER. As the vehicle kept sliding into the ditch, we decided to back it out instead of pushing it even more. So we got more people in the rear of the vehicle just to act like a balance, preventing it from tipping over and having the vehicle backing out of there. So at this point, the driver was, if you're in the driver's seat, you feel the tiltedness, and it's not easy. So eventually we're able to get the GX and the driver backed out, safe and sound. So which one do you think did better? The Lexus GX470 or the Toyota 4RUNNER 3rd generation? Please leave a comment below and subscribe and like the video. Thank you and have a good one.